Hello everyone, thanks for joining. So today's class is about the advanced pricing, that is the condition type which is for the condition exclusion. Okay, so what is condition exclusion? We'll create a condition type, different condition types, and from out of those condition types, when the condition types will be called or the condition records will be called in the sales order. So whatever the best or worst price according to the procedure, it will get selected. So, we have already discussed the pricing procedure. So in the pricing procedure, we might have, suppose, let us take an example, we might have some discount conditions. So based upon the discount conditions, the record condition values are called up in the sales order pricing procedure. So when the prices will be called up, then what is the best or the worst price as per the configuration, it will be applicable for the sales order. Okay. So here what we'll do is it means that we have to create some condition exclusion group, and inside that condition group exclusion group we'll attach the map the condition types for which this condition exclusion group is mapped. So once the condition groups will be created, here the condition group types will be attached. So out of those condition types, whoever is giving the best value, it will be picked up in the sales order. That's what the point is. So how we'll do? We'll go for the SPRO, sales distribution, basic function, and pricing control, define condition exclusion groups. Okay, but let us go to the detailed steps. So you'll create a condition exclusion group, and here you will create a new entry and relevant condition types, and then you will configure the condition exclusion procedure. So you will select the rule, and according to the rule, it will be the final value will be determined in the sales order. So how will be determined? Because you need to assign that condition exclusion procedure to the pricing procedure. Okay, so we'll go to SAP now. We'll see how practically it is implemented. So you create a exclusion group. Okay, so let us go about the first condition groups. So the condition types. So you can see these condition types, A0, 5. So take an example where you have the customer material condition is there and customer is also there. Suppose according to the customer, so we'll go for customer. What is the customer discount? Customer discount is K07, and so we'll copy this customer discount JP JK, suppose 17. Okay, so JK17, this is the customer discount, and this is customer material discount. Okay, so customer material discount, it will be a simple item condition. Go back, and also you go to customer discount, which is also a simple item condition. So now we'll create two records. Okay, so here we are considering JK05 and JK17 group of conditions. Here you will define a condition exclusion group. So suppose we'll go for this J0001 condition. So you can see this save. So you created a condition exclusion group. Okay, after that you go for assigning the condition types to exclusion group. So what is the condition types? So exclusion group is J001 and your condition type is JK05. This is one, and J001 and your JK17 is the second one. So one is customer discount, one is customer discount. So just save. Now we go to condition exclusion for the pricing procedure. So what we'll do, our is JRBA. So go to exclusion. So here exclusion group we have to maintain. So go to new entries. Exclusion group is, you will go for best condition between the condition type. I will go for this selection with the best. Okay. So condition types. So group one is here J001. I'll just press enter. Okay, so since you are going for best condition type between the exclusive group one, so you can go for this. Okay, so today's scenario is this one. So you can also go for other condition types. Suppose you have two exclusion groups, within each exclusion group different condition types are attached. So out of this, suppose one best condition which is arrived from the one exclusion group, another arrived from the another exclusion group. From there you are going for arriving at a best condition, then you have to go for the sequential procedure. Okay, so now here I have selected only one. So out of JK05 and JK17, which is the best, that will be pulled into the condition record. Okay, so how it will be arrived at the value level. I mean, whatever condition values will determine, so out of that the best one will be triggered. Okay, now we'll go for pricing procedure. I'll go for exit. This step is over. So go for C/08, where you maintain the pricing procedure. So in that pricing procedure, you have to go for JRV001. You should have those two condition types, no? When you have applied for the, so you have JK07 and you should have JK17. So these two will be condition exclusion group. So just save. Now, so let us see the any condition type which is maintained for the condition record or not. So JP00, any condition record is maintained or not for this combination. Suppose 650002 and material was 50058. So let us see, it is 100 is existing. So condition update, this is no condition update, so that is also verified. So we'll go to VK12, enter, go to execute. Here your 100. Okay, 100 rupees per bottle. Now you have the VK11, JK17. So here customer is 6.02. So whatever he takes the material, in that you have 1% discount. Okay. Now we'll create a sales order for this customer. So JP here 65002 PO, and you go for 50058. So you take for 10 bottles. So what is the condition value? So you can see this here 1% is your 100. Okay, so how many bottles? So for 1000 rupees 1% is comes as 100, and there also JK05 is also 100. So both the things are same, so that's why one is picked up. Now let us see. Suppose the price should have been 800. So here also the best discount is 1000. Suppose it is 1200. So JK07 is coming into picture. So let us see what is the other issue. Why JK05 is not there. So here 1% it is coming as 100, and JK05 is per bottle is 100. So what is the best discount here? 120. But if it is 800 per bottle, so analysis you go for JK05 has not been set. One percent is 8. And if it would have been 1500 is 15, and it should be, suppose it is 15,000, so 1500. So let us go for PK05. Sorry, PK11. So you have to create for a JK05, and the condition required is 50058. Here the amount is 120, and we just see. Okay, so now maybe the old record was conflicting, so here we'll create a fresh sales order. So let us see 65002. So customer ordered for 10 quantity. Now if you go to this, the best discount is, you see this discount is 120, and here 1% is 88. So which is applicable? Discount is 1200 is applicable. You can see this. This is not considered because the best value is coming is 120. Suppose this is a 20% discount, so that comes as 2000. So here the discount value is 2000. Okay, this JK17 taken into consideration. If it is 1%, then JK05 is considered. Okay, if it is again I'm going to 20%, here JK017 is considered. So what is the best value that is being considered in the discount amount? Okay, the best is 120 and 88. Discount is difference is this. Okay, so this is all about the condition exclusion. In the next class we'll learn about group condition, header condition, item condition. Please subscribe our channel.